Hey Kent, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and for requesting this custom video. So today I'm going to show you and Kobe a few things that you guys can apply right away to start getting more traffic and more visibility on your website and getting more leads. So here we are on your website. This is a really cool logo. I really like that. Okay. Free estimates. Okay, I'm seeing a little bit of content. Um, Not really seeing any keyword usage. I'm not sure what this map is about. Possibly your service area? I'm not sure. Um, okay, reviews are always a good thing. Oh, let's see. Serving Denver to Boulder. Okay. So, Google does not rank your website based on an appearance. It's all based on content. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage focused on those buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for in your service area so that they can find your services when they need you. And so that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So that's very important for your home page, but also your service pages. You really need a separate service page for every single service that you offer, as well as a separate page for every major city or city in your service areas that have any type of search volume. So water extraction, restoration, the build back preps, all of that, those should have separate pages so that you can have content devoted to those and keywords. This should have its own page as well. So you need to build out additional pages for each of these services so you can focus on those keywords, as well as adding the additional pages for your service areas. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages, looking for your content and keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. Being in an emergency service provider is even more important, that you are the first thing people see when they're searching for your service. Um, and so you're going to have to optimize your website to be able to make that happen for you. Your top competitor in Denver is All Pro Restoration. They have a good looking website as well. They have separate pages for every single one of the services that they offer. They have more content, and they're going after those buyer intent keywords. They have interlinking going on between their pages, which is really important. Okay. I am not seeing any additional service areas, so I'm not sure about that. But in order to beat these guys, you're gonna have to work on your content and keyword strategy. You need more content than your top competitors in each of your service areas for each of your services. Um, and then couple that with some SEO behind it to give it some power. Now, this is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, your website has a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google does not have any trust in your website. That's 100% because of your backlinks and referring domains. They're just not good backlinks. And so not all backlinks are created equal, and it's important to understand that. You need to have high authority backlinks, and they need to be related to your service and do follows. Because you don't have a lot of keywords and content, you're not being indexed for any, and you're not seeing any traffic to your website. Your website is what brings in 70% of those organic leads. So it is really important that you get your website optimized. Your competitor has a rating of a 25, which is pretty good, and that's because they have over 1,500 backlinks. So you're going to have more backlinks than they have, and also better quality backlinks. They have over 1,000 keywords indexed, so they're seeing over 877 people to their website every single month. So this just kind of shows you the type of volume that you're missing out on by not having your website optimized. These are your backlinks. You can see they're all zeros. There's zero value to this as far as ranking. You may own all these websites and be redirecting them, which is fine because these are all redirects, but they're just not helping you as far as power goes or to be found. Then you have these backlinks here. So what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website and drives traffic to the website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your website that's linking to you, then the more authority it gives you and the more power it can boost you, especially when they are do follow backlinks. A do follow will actually share the power of those high ranking sites with you and help boost you even further. And then the last thing to note is these backlinks should be tied to your keywords. That's how your keywords are going to rank and how your customers are going to be able to find you. And then the last thing to note is this Google Maps section or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this area because 30% of people come directly to the maps and they won't go any further. And so to capture those people, you need to be in the top 3. Otherwise, you're giving all those leads to all of your competition. In order to be in the top 3 for each of your service areas and keywords, you need to beat the top competitor, and that there's a lot of factors, but the biggest one is called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Instagram, and Facebook. And so you need a lot more of those than your top competition. And when you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for all of your keywords and service areas. Now, the sole purpose of this video is purely educational to help you guys out. However, if you do need help getting that done and you want to see results, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.